Hello students, your topic for today is juvenile delinquency. So according to Paul Thapan, it is an act, course of conduct of situation which might be brought before a court and adjudicated whether in fact it comes to be treated there or by some other resources or indeed remains untreated. According to Cyril Birth, a child is delinquent when his antisocial tendencies appear to grave that he becomes the subject of official action. According to Siddiqui A. and Section 2J of Children Act 1960, it is an act prohibited by law for children up to prescribed age limit is juvenile delinquency, and child found to have committed an act of juvenile delinquencies by a court is a juvenile delinquent. Acts that are declared by law as juvenile delinquency are violation of an ordinance or law, engaging in illegal occupation, knowingly association with vicious or immoral persons, patronizing, visiting policy shop or gambling, habitually wandering about railroad tracks and yards, incorrigible, absenting from home without permission, loitering and sleeping in all up, beggary or receiving alms, smoking cigarettes around public place, habitually using obscene or vulgar language in public place, immoral or indecent conduct, crossing up in idleness or crime, immoral conduct around school, wandering in streets at night without any purpose, entering in cars without any authority or jumping on the trains, patronizing saloon or dam shop or at liquor shop, knowingly visiting or entering into ill-reputed houses, frequent company of any refuted thereof, living, lodging or residing in the house or part of house which is used for prostitution. Now, causes for juvenile delinquency. So, adolescence instability is one of the cause. In this, the biological, psychological, and sociological factors are important to understand the adolescent behavior. Puberty or physical maturity is also an important factor. The child in this age wants to maintain his own identity, fashions, dress, language, dance, food, and play are also attractions of this age. The problem becomes more when the adolescents are not kept in containment and their growth is not chased. Unconjugal home. So, the way the child is nursed is very important throughout his life and not only during immaturity of age. The families where the parents indulge is undesirable activities have undesirable and corrupting impact on immature mind. Third is the associational impact. So, the associational impact on the child is very important. If he falls in bad association, he starts to behave accordingly and it is difficult for him to come out of it. Fourth, sex indulgence. So, the persons who have sex experience in their childhood become more tempted to it day by day. The homosexuality or heterosexuality both are dangerous at this age. Too much sex avarice may lead the boys towards crimes of kidnapping and rapes. Movie. So the movies are dominated by the theme of sex and violence. Youngsters adopting the shortcut methods, the richness and influence may come in their lives, and the actual consequences of misdeeds may fail to influence mind. Sixth, failure in school life. Some children may not be mentally prepared to go to school. They may pass their school time at some other place. The poor schooling is also responsible for the boys to think that there is no use of going to school. Seventh, poverty. So, poverty is the cause of juvenile delinquency. When the children see other enjoying the life with comforts, the desire to have these things by hook or by crook develops, giving birth to delinquency. 8. Irresistible impulse. During the childhood, the impulse is generally not subject to easy self control. He does not understand to avoid the matters of petty issues, and he may quarrel or trivial things. Now, the remedies for the prevention of juvenile delinquency. To provide compulsory and free education to children, education must be made compulsory and free of cost to all children. Second, to provide correctional homes for orphans. The children who are orphans or who are homeless should be sent to correctional homes. Third, to provide healthy entertainment to juvenile. Healthy entertainment like good films, good books, and literature should be provided to the children so that they get good lesson and moral education. Duties of a juvenile court to look into the family backgrounds of delinquents. So the juvenile courts must look into the family backgrounds, character, past history, and the company in which the delinquent lives. Fifth, to organize seminars and conferences. So, various seminars and conferences of the criminologists, psychologists, and other social workers should be organized to discuss the various problems that are connected with juvenile delinquency, and they should find out some concrete solution to prevent them. Sixth, government must incorporate suggestions in existing laws. Government should look into this problem seriously. The suggestions given by the expert of this subject should be incorporated in the existing laws and statutes to prevent juvenile delinquency. That's all. Thank you.